Initially, I decided to do a commerce degree because I liked how broad it was. I was always interested in business and I liked that commerce gave me broad opportunities. And then as I went on throughout my degree, I was able to sort of specialise and narrow down into what I was interested in. I did an internship here at Monash Business School in Caulfield, which was fantastic. I was working with the student recruitment team. I absolutely loved it because going into it, I wasn't too sure what sort of field of commerce I was interested in, but that gave me a great chance to try a bunch of different fields. Throughout my degree, they've really put an emphasis on certain skills like communication and strong organisational skills as well, which I found really interesting going into the internship to sort of apply those theoretical skills in a practical setting and realise that they truly are important. I went on the Global Immersion Guarantee to Vanuatu, which was truly the best experience I've had in my life. It was a 2-week trip where you got to learn alongside locals at a local university. And alongside learning skills in a different country, it was just the best opportunity to meet people. A lot of people go to uni wanting the uni experience, and that 100% was the uni experience. When you think of uni, you think of massive lecture halls, sort of not really meeting anyone, but I've found that in all the tutorials, my tutors at least have made a massive effort to ensure we're working alongside each other, which is great because you get to meet people as well as hear the ideas of others, and it really expands your perspective. There's definitely something for everyone and a good way to meet people no matter what you're interested in. Clayton and Caulfield both have very vibrant social lives. Being on campus is such a plus. It's such a great way to hang out with your friends. You get to meet people and become something you look forward to going to each week.